guys, it's Kitty, and 1 second, my thing. There we go, I fixed it. Oh, why do I keep on getting 25? No fair. I know, I like jumping. Hop. Let's see if this works. Okay. I'll be my seal. My adorable little seal. Hop. No, people. Why do people keep on doing it? It's not fair. It makes Animal Jam not that fun sometimes. And oh no, she is not wearing a hat. But okay, sorry guys. I need to put a key outside the door. My mom just walked in and started talking. So I had to pause the recording. And I decided to switch to my fox because, you know, she's awesome and I don't want to be my seal. My seal is more of a water creature for me. I'm gonna play tic-tac-toe. Let's see if I win. No. I win. This was fun. I like getting gems this way. It's always the funnest when you're just playing with one person. Cat game. We both earned 10 gems, and that's okay. Let's play Tumble Trivia. We'll see how good I get. Snake's eyes are always... No, I meant to press open. 15. Clan? No. Trout? What do sea otters use? Rocks. Bear often hunts the squirrel. Oh, I don't know. Can you say explosives? Doesn't have cheetah. Can't fly. Ostrich, they run and bite. 150. Jellyfish. That was on there. Aww. Got 8th place. 2, 1. Plant analogy. Aww. Mercury. King. Threatened. Indonesia. I don't know. No fish. Aww. Excellent swimmers. Water droplets. I'm just going to do one more round. This is my last round, okay? Less than 5. 20. Time. Water weasel. No, I don't even know what the animal was. Ooh, I got 3rd place. Yay. Well, I'm done now. Yes, leave game. Now, let's do a different game. I don't know how to. Who is in my den? I know this person. I offended her yesterday. Hi. She adopted me. I don't know if I'm her dog or something, but I think I'm like her kid. Ooh, if you guys watch Bertgasm's, one of Bertgasm's things, he says that Guy Does Minecraft / Adam is adopted. I don't know if that's true or not, but if you guys could tell me in the comments, that would be awesome. Because I really don't know. Because Sky can't comment. Because his Google Plus thing broke. He said that in the vlog earlier today or yesterday. And I just don't know. Awkward. I'm going to Karaoke. No! I'm going to this. No! No, I can't do the game. Can't do them and I can't buy them. Oh, show off. Ooh. I have it somewhere. Where is it? There it is. Best dress. And I will just get out my other arcade game. If I can find it. There it is. Game. Yay! Fun. Best dress. Play. Foxes are like really good with dressing because I don't know, the clothes just fit them really good. Bunny is too big, something's too small. Foxes is just right. Well, at least that's how I feel about it. Leave your opinion. Which animal looks the best in pretty much all the clothes? Mine's rare. I have this. Except for maybe a wizard hat. That's just my opinion. I don't like it. I also don't like that much. This, it's pretty. That, the color, not exactly. Ooh, elf. I'm an elf. Fit. Who would want to wear a chicken hat? That's my question. And I'm thinking about entering something for the thing where it can be a new item in a number jam. I'm thinking about entering it. Entering a little drawing. Do you guys think I should? Come on, next round. No, I'm so sad. Kick this off. Then I will see how. Most like a monster easy. This top hat. And you guys guess it. Dr. Hyde. You guys have a guess? I don't know exactly what he looks like. There I am. It looks mostly. I think it's him. Oh, look so small compared to everybody else. I look tiny even compared to the bunny. That's funny. Yay, I got second place! I got one vote. I knew it. It's it. Always vote. Because if you don't vote, you don't get any gems. I think that's actually kind of fair, but some people don't. But in my opinion, it's fair. Freakiest. Pumpkin. Ooh, black eyes under the pumpkin. Black freaky eyes. Red. That is actually pretty freaky. That is kind of scary. Arctic wolf really? Arctic wolves are also look pretty good when I'll be right back. My thing got kind of busted up. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. Got very last place. Oh, no, I'm sad. Then I would be firefighter. Bye. I think it would be like this. Yellow, orange, nice-ish red. Oh. She looks like Maleficent. She has like the wings with the spikes on them. That's funny. She looks pretty much like it. I know I keep on voting for her, but I actually really like it. Yay. She is actually pretty good at dressing up. Oh, I got a vote! Yay! Okay, that penguin's kind of scary. Oh, I think I know why I've been last on these. I'm the last one in the thing. Because my last name starts with a V, and V is for Norse last in the alphabet because they don't have like Z, I don't think. Shiny! Distracted. Ooh, it sounds like shiny. Purple. I think white. No. Shiny. No. This one. Perfection. I want her to have. I didn't get to change the eyes, but nobody can really see my eyes. None of these people are shiny except for the koala and that person, but shiny. I wonder how many votes I'll get. Hope it's not 0 again. Oh, bye guys, and I will see you in the next episode, and yay, I got a vote! And bye, I'll see you in the next episode. Smiley face!